Hello guys and welcome back. Today we're gonna be comparing two popular gamer energy drinks, Gamers Only Drink and Holy Drink. Which one's better for focus and energy? Let's find out. Starting with taste, Gamers Only Drink is bold and fruity, while Holy Drink is a bit lighter and not too sweet. If you prefer a subtle taste, Holy might be your pick. Now, for the ingredients, Gamers Only Drink has more caffeine, ideal for quick energy, while Holy Drink has a lower dose, so it's smoother for long sessions. Both sugar-free, so no sugar crash here. As for price, they're close, but Gamers Only Drink is slightly cheaper. If you're on a budget, that might be something you would consider. So, if you want fast energy, go for Gamers Only Drink. And if you're after steady focus, just try Holy Drink. Which would you choose? Let us know below in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.